Hi friend, welcome to the Company Law Adjudication and Appeal series. Today we are discussing ROC Adjudication Order, Penalty Order for the non-appointment of the whole-time company secretary on the two companies where the ROC imposed penalty of 25 lakh rupees on the first company and 15 lakh rupees on the second company. That is the maximum penalty as prescribed under the Companies Act imposed on companies and officers in default. Let's see what are the legal provision regarding this non-appointment of the company secretary. That is the section 203 of the Companies Act prescribed that every company belonging to such class or classes of company have a whole time KMP. And as per the rule 8 of appointment of the key managerial personnel and companies, rules 2014, every listed company and every other public company having paid up share capital of 10 crore rupee or more shall have whole time KMP. And as per the rule 8A, that is the appointment of the company secretary, which is not covered under the rule 8, that is a specific rule 8A, where this is prescribed that company having paid up share capital of 5 crore rupees or more shall have a whole time company secretary. But after the amendment in 2020, that the limit increased from the 5 crore to 10 crore, and every private limited company covering this have a paid up capital 10 crore rupees or more have a whole time company secretary. Or in case of the non-complying of this provision, if company makes default of this complying in this provision, then section as per subsection 5, the company shall be liable to penalty of 5 lakh rupees, and every officer in default every director in KMP who is a default shall be liable to penalty of the 50,000 rupees, and where the default is continuing one, with a further penalty of the 1,000 rupee for each day after first during which such default continue, but not exceeding 5 lakh rupees. Here is the CAT, or that is the maximum penalty imposed on for the violation of section 203. Subsection 5, this maximum penalty is the 5 lakh rupees. Let's see the two adjudication order copy here. Both adjudication order passed on the 24th April 2023 by the Tamil Nadu Coimbatore ROC. And here, as per the first adjudication order, the company having register office at Tamil Nadu, and as per the MCO record, that is the financial file for the financial year 21-22, paid up capital is the 19 crore 75 lakh, and turnover is the 171 crore 34 lakh 69,000. That is, the company is not a small company as per the financial file with the ROC. And let's see the facts of the case that a company suo motu file application on 15th March 2023 for adjudication of the penalty for violation of section 203 read with the rule 80. And as per the provision of the Companies Act, is observed that the company had increased paid up share capital from 10 crore to 17 crore during the financial year 2015-16. However, the company has not appointed a company secretary for the period from 1st October 2015 to 1st November 2018. Due to non-compliance of section 203, company filed the compounding application. An offense was compounded under section 441 dated 22nd April 2022 for the period from 1st October 2015 to 1st November 2018. The company has appointed a whole-time company secretary from 2nd November 2020. For the period of 2nd November 2018 to 1st November 2020, the company continued to function without a company secretary and in default of section 203 for the company, and officer in default of the company committed an offense. This is punishable with the penalty, and offense required to be adjudicated by the ROC under section 454 of the Act. These circumstances, company filed a suo motu application under section 454 and with the section 20. And pursuant to suo motu application made by the company, the ROC in exercise of the power with a view to give a reasonable opportunity of being heard, imposing any penalty, fix the date of the hearing, and indicate the penalty for the violation of section 203 rule 8A. In response to the education notice issued by the ROC, the whole time company secretary represented on the behalf of the company and director before the ROC and giving the date and time and orally submitted that the company had compounded the said violation and paid the compounding fee of rupees 6 lakh for the company and its directors. First case. And as per the provision of the company law, we see the maximum penalty imposed on the company, that is the 5 lakh rupees. And as per the having considered the factual circumstances, the penalty imposed here is the on the company. There is a total number of days of default. So second November 2018 to 1st November 2020. That is the 731 days default. That is maximum penalty imposed on the company is the 5 lakh, and on the three official default, that is 50,000 first default continued first default, and penalty for number of delayed default, that is 731. That is total 7,31,000. But maximum penalty imposed here is the 5 lakh on the its director officer default, and that is the total penalty imposed here is the on the 4 director, that is the 20 lakh, and 5 lakh on the company, 25 lakh on the company in the first case. And in the second case, there's also Tamil Nadu ROC issued this education order as per the record filed with the ROC. The company is not a small company, and having the considered the fact, company also here file adjudication compounding order, also file for compounding and take compounding order before filing suo motu application under this section. And here for the compounding phase, the 1 lakh paid by the company and its director, and here and on the default, there here is also default of 761 days. That is the maximum penalty imposed on the company is 5 lakh, and the 2 director is 5 lakh each. This is 15 lakh, 50 lakh, and this is the penalty shall be paid to the MCA portal under the miscellaneous fee only within a period of 90 days from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. If any appeal against this order, then file within this. Within 60 days from this date of this order, and non-compliant tax section 454 subsection 8 for non-consequence of the non-payment of the penalty. This is the education order copy. You may refer this education order copy on the MCA site, or you may give your number or email ID so that I will forward this education order copy. Thank you so much for watching this update.